Okay, so now we're on to Caterpillar Webs. It says this website provides a bit of information about a type of tent caterpillar called a lackey moth. Make two of the images on the home page into a link. The picture of the tree should link to treeinfo.html. The picture of the moth should link to buginfo.html. Create a CSS role for span tags that gives them a bright background color like a highlighter. You'll use spans to highlight facts you find interesting. Read through the information contained on the two content web pages. Add at least 2 span tags to each page. You should highlight phrases or parts of sentences, not whole paragraphs. So we'll click Get Started. And what we're going to be doing, we're going to leave our image source here. We're going to start on bug info. So let's go to bug info. And on bug info, it wants us to put the span. Let's see, where does it want the spans? Okay. So we're going to put a span here. And all the way to the end. So we'll Command X to cut. And we'll paste it there. And then under life cycles, we're going to do another one. So span here. I'm going to cut this. Command X to cut. And we'll put it after the webs. And then I think that's all for this page. Yeah. And so next, we are going to go to our index. And then our index, it wants us to add the links to those other pages. So above this one here, we're going to do href equals tree info. Make sure your capitalization is correct here. Only thing that's supposed to be capitalized is the I in info. And then we're going to do that. And then let me make sure. Oh, the image source is supposed to go after it. So we're going to, well, I can just do this. Okay. So that should be there like that. But the A needs to go after it. So at the end of the image source is where we're going to put the A. And then I'm going to just get rid of this space here. And I'm going to get rid of this space here too. And then we're going to do another one here. So ahref equals quotation marks bug info, again with just the I capitalized. I don't know why it didn't put another quotation mark in there, but anyway, there we go. And then we will Command X this and paste it on the end. And I think that's all for that one. And then in our style sheet, we've got the body, we've got the image, color light blue, span is what we need. We need to add a background color for span. Okay, so we're going to do span, little curly Q doodad, and then we're going to do background color, colon orange. And then do we need to do anything for tree info? Are we supposed to put span in there? Yes, we are. Okay, so then we go to tree info. And where we're going to do span is between these choke cherries. So span. And then we're going to cut it the end tag and we're going to put it here. And then we put another one here. And we're going to cut that one. And after Henry VIII, we're going to put the end tag there. And I think that's it. Let's see what it looks like. Okay, so if I click on one of these links. Okay, so now it's got like the highlighter thing like we wanted to. Go back home. Let's see if this one works. Yep, and it does. So let's test our test cases. Yep, we got all of the check marks, so we can click submit and continue.